how to turn off auto update on Facebook. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. So let's start. First you just go to your Facebook. Then on your Facebook you will go here to this three line, and then you will go to settings and privacy. And after this you will go to settings, and then you will click on media, and you will go down to updates, click, and you will find the first option, auto update Facebook. You will turn off this by clicking here on this place like this, and click turn off, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you next video.